So there's great benefit for centralizing all of a company's quality data in one place. And I mention that just because historically what's happened is organizations have invested in multiple different quality systems. And the quality system at one plant may be different from another plant, and they don't talk to one another. Worse, within a plant, you may have multiple quality systems within one single plant for managing different aspects of quality. And generally speaking, within that plant, for those multiple systems, they don't talk to one another either. So if you roll that up across multiple plants, you've got systems within plants that don't talk to one another and across plants don't talk to one another. But imagine that all of your quality data is in one place, regardless of the plant that gathered it, the production line that gathered it, or the product code that was checked. If you have all your data in one centralized repository, then we've got one single area for all of our quality professionals, all of our managers to go and query data and slice and dice data and uncover these great opportunities for improvement. The ability to have data in one place provides us insight across our enterprise, regardless if our enterprise is defined as one plant, one production line, or multiple plants across the globe.